earlier, whenever I read this series, I read this book, this point not connected much, but this time connected much, connected. It's connected like anything. What is that is? How to meet goddess, lucky goddess. How to meet lucky goddess. Anyone, can you please tell how we can meet lucky goddess?
Doing
By
the
not having
using
procrastination.
Yes.
using the opportunities correct time.
Yes, utilizing opportunities without the postponement, without the procrastination, without the delay. The person who is going to utilize opportunities, that person will become, okay, that person can meet, okay, lucky goddess, that person will become luckiest person. For this, have you remembered, right? Wonderful thing. Wonderful. A simple system we implemented. I'm very happy because everyone following that system. Everyone following that system. Okay. So almost, can I expect? Yo.
Yes, sir.
Rule is very strict. The persons who are not following, happily you can leave this class. Okay. So am I following?
Yes,
Am I
every day.
following? Yes, every day. Yesterday my count is, I hope 14 by 7, 7 by 14 I hope. 7 by 14. Yesterday and the day before yesterday, my full day occupied with the very important activity. Yesterday and the day before yesterday also. Full day occupied with the important activity. One activity. Okay, like day before yesterday, registration I completed, long pending thing. Next yesterday, just I have to help for my brother-in-law. Okay, regarding his house sale, house purchase, house buying. Okay, like so I did. So multiple things, sir. So do you know these days, sir, if I'm getting some half an hour time, 1 hour time, hurry, let me complete some pending activities like immediately my hand is going for the mobile and then I'm seeing list of activities. Yesterday somewhere I got some half an hour break somewhere. Hurry, let this half an hour, let me complete 4 or 5 activities. Making a phone call to my accountant, can you please clear those things? Like and guided and follow up some activities, like automatically that mindset so came because of this activity. Okay, almost by tomorrow, I hope by tomorrow I'm going to complete 21 days. 21 days of this activity. Third week is going to be completed. If any activity, if we are going to continue for 21 days, then on 22nd day, we are not required to do intentionally. It will be part of our daily routine. Remember that automatically we are going to do that. That's right. So procrastination is the enemy, sir. Procrastination is a very dangerous thing, which is going to create a number of problems, sir. You are going to miss a number of opportunities. A number of opportunities you are going to miss. Okay, don't entertain procrastination.